My mama be fussing at me the whole time. I said, I know what you want. Like, you can't go get it. You feel me? So, I went and got it for him. My godbrother Mike, I said, Mike, bring my daddy some weed. But that's the medicine you need. Go talk to him. He'll tell you when you need it, how much you need. Just make sure you keep it coming. And Mike didn't smoke weed, but he knew guys who, you know, he got there. He's going to raise or something. My dad ain't high that he smoked. It wasn't no big deal. He didn't expect it. I didn't know my dad smoked weed until I started smoking it. Because I grew the trait. He never told me, he never told me. This how I hide for my kids. My dad hid for me. My dad would go in the basement of our house when he got home from his school every night. He would go in the basement for about 2-3 hours. That was the first day. Down there getting high like a kite. Enjoying his day. That's why I be telling about that, Dad, we need a basement. A basement is so fun, you know? They made us a spot in the basement because the adults wanted to be upstairs and the kids downstairs. So we grew up in the basement. My aunt had a basement, Johnny Man. That's a memory.
My father had seven brothers, eight boys. And 2 of them had a basement. And 3 of them had big decks on the backyard. You know, in the backyard. One had a big house. But anyway, all of them was in construction. Like 5 of them, I think, made brick, block, building, up this building.
Right.
One was in, one was a carpenter game.
Oh, wow.
And Uncle Emmy was a plumber. So that's all the fields. I mean, that's in the South, you know. They coming from Arkansas. You know what I'm saying? And they come to New York, and that's the only kind of jobs they had. So,
right.
Then they became, after they've been there.
Coming from the South to New York.
But after they've been there, so they got on what they call the Union and the Teamster and all that, and break the way up that way. But anyway, all their houses, they just did work.
Or they South.
Yeah. So our basement, like I said, we had 2 other uncontent basements. They was all patterned, you know, back then it was patterned. We didn't drive
but it was done.
But it was patterned, nice pattern.
The panel was so pretty.
Yeah.
Because that's all, that was the thing back then.
Yeah. And see, by being in the basement, we didn't have to run no air conditioning because it stayed cool. We had 3
it was
3
never,
floors.
the
So 1, 2.
basement never had a temperature that I was comfortable.
Yeah, it's always comfortable.
Yeah.
Except in the winter, we might put a little heater down there. But our basement, we can't understand it. On this side, you have walk through the door. You have the washer, dryer, and all that.
But what is it looking now? Because these modern day basements are hot. I've heard people say these basements are hot now.
Yeah, but
what is
it should be hot. It should be damp and anything. Because a lot of them had that clean out in your slab. You gotta have clean out your slab and then do your house up. That way the water has so much stuff. So most of them are damp. A lot of them won't tell you in the forest basement stuff. Yeah, you gotta look for mold and fungus buildup. But I basically raised just, like I said, washing down the other side, water heater. You know, wash your clothes and fold them. And then you came around with a full-size pool table. And that's the spot. Then right here on this side there's a bedroom, like a guest bedroom. I made it my bedroom, but guest bedroom. And we came around, but we had a peanut on this wall. Yeah, we went up. We went up the steps. We was on the patio. Wow. all the brothers had like built in hard, they get rich. Oh man. But then I was thinking, hey, that's what this money is.
Right. And but see, that's good. I'm
But
telling you,
the
it's
thing
good.
is, see, then I found it wasn't. But then when I started doing like plumbing work, I went to other houses. I was like,
People
that's
really
when I
living
started
like
thinking about
this.
elevators and all. I was like, oh
People
shit,
really
what's that?
living like this, right around you. That's what I'm saying. Like, right around you, people is really living like this. Like, so how can I be on this side of the cable? Ray, you'll figure something about it. Be on this side of the cable, right?
And then 2 blocks up.
And then 1 block up. I'm talking about as soon as I hit off the Decatur, I'm boom, Stuyvesant and Lewis, right there. The houses is totally laid out different.
Oh yeah.
What? When I walked in, well now they done changed it up, but I still can show you the block. The block I'm talking about is the block right there. My grandmother's church sat right on the corner, right?
Yeah. But see, the thing is, people don't know about base houses no more.
But I couldn't believe it. Like, because we started from, my dad started us from the 1-bedroom apartment on the street. First floor, church next door, church next door. Like, we can open our window and see church window.
Get out there, go
The
to
church window can open, my window open, they can see you if they hear you from inside the church. That's how close we is. It's a church.
Hey.
Okay. Like literally the church was next door. We could hear the tapping of the tambourine.
Anytime they
All
had
of that.
stuff.
So we had to just go join in and be a part.
Every time they need to go somewhere, just go. You go to church tonight.
Yeah, let's do this. Cause we're gonna be there anyway.
Yeah.
that's not close to be well. We're gonna be there anyway. Yep. Yeah. So to see that, like you've seen it, and we've seen it young.
Mm-hmm.
It was a part of our lives.
The basement, they don't have what they call basements. They have lower levels now. You know, our basement was considered underground.
Right under the first floor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it was underground.
Right. Downstairs.
Theirs is not underground. They walk out from that bottom. So it's not a
It's
basement.
different, yeah. And so, yeah, because see, like, we go outside, and we had the 2 doors right there on the outside that you had, you know how in New York, you open them up.
Okay.
That's the kind of basement we had at the, where we had the 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
We had access to the basement. Y'all, the kids in the building,
We went for the South
yeah,
End.
the kids in the building, honey, we used to go down there, put our bikes down there.
That's the hangout.
You know, we trusted each other right there, like our bikes and the big things. And my mom's mother was the superintendent of the building. So we had access to the basement. My grandma was on the upper floor with that up.
Okay, I got you.
My grandma, my grandfather lived on the upper floor. Baby, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. It was 6 families in the building. 6 families in the building. And everybody was family. Like Kate and Clay.
Just the hangout.
Like Kate and Clay. You just had your own apartment, but that was our house.
Right.
It was a brownstone with 6 individual apartments where people could live.
Right.
We happened to be on the first floor, 1 bedroom, where we had windows facing the street. The other side over here was Mr. Brown and his wife, and they was on this side. He stayed drunk as a fool rat. I'm telling you, I'm gonna talk about this.
Stories in there.
I'm gonna get the people that lived in the building, the children, because the older ones are a little bit past on, but there's a few still living. We on Facebook together. I'm thinking about getting us together. And we have a story time. Because I'm telling you, what that? You feel? Oh, you probably did. What that mean for us?
No, it's raining.
Oh, it is something running through that. Not a deer, because he ain't that fast. It's a bird.
No, not what I see.
Not what you see?
It was a deer.
Was it brown?
So I didn't see that hole right through there. I see the bird you talking about on the right. I'm talking about through that hole.
Oh. Was it brown, light brown?
Yeah.
I seen it too.
But see, when it's raining like that, the leaves would throw off, you can't hear them. Like this, you couldn't hear them.
Right.
And that's when they like to travel. That's why a lot of them get hit by cars too.
Oh.
That's why you can't hear them. So.
Right. But if you saw it, that's what it was. I saw the like a tan body thing, like an animal. Or it was a big, but it was so fast, I said it gotta be a bird.
No, it was a bird on the right hanging there.
Oh.
On some leaves. Don't get started. You can hurt it later.
It's exercise.
All right. Look, that's what it's up. Yeah, move your head up, look. See that? See what? Right there you did. They come up and make some honey sauce.
Right. Very, he loves to be loved. He want me to have him too right now. brother, I'm so sick of plaything, but I just throw it in and sleep because it's safer in there. It's safer in there, Abuela. But can you bring me a toy or something? You know?
Yeah,
we're gonna get that mold. And I'll probably get him another toy too. Just something different that I hadn't got. But they got little stuff in there for $3. I'll give him one. But definitely a bone. That's his buddy. He got a, I know he missed that bone. I wonder how he gonna react. Cause he had a bone in about 3 weeks.
Just evaluate that statement and then see good for the rest of the day. You'll be good for the rest of the day, buddy. You got any viewers?
All the time. People like looking at the water. I'm not gonna lie, I was on TikTok. I stopped talking to them. I talk on YouTube. I talk. TikTok, I just get reviews. But I go live. I don't it's work. So, well, I mean, 47,000 people, that's a lot of people following me. That's the limit. But stop there, stop there. I'll work to the 47,000. I don't have to have a million follow, I'm not one of the people. 47,000 people, a lot of damn people follow me. So I ain't trying to be one of the people like, oh, I need a follower. No, I'm surprised 47,000 already following me. You know what I'm saying? So, let's see what glad it is. So, I try to get some beautiful things. You know, try to one of them people and who I am. And YouTube is where I do talking. So, I'm trying to bring a community over. And if I talk everywhere, then they're not going to go on YouTube. But if they miss me talking, they're going to go see what I'm talking about on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So, I done talked enough on my platform. Now, come on over to YouTube. That's where I'm talking. And so, like, the union of the building I lived in, yeah, that was young. I would put down. I would record it on Zoom, like I would invite everybody to a Zoom.
Yeah.
And you know how to Zoom record it,
Yeah.
and then I'll put it on YouTube. Yeah. So we definitely, I'm gonna set that up for the building we live in, 172 Decatur Street. We need that.
Reunion live.
Yeah, live on Zoom. We need that. We need that. There's only a few of them that I know, but maybe they know of the other ones that I know. But we here. Yeah. 2 families I know for sure are live and kicking. And there's some other families in there, you know, some of them, you know, stay to themselves. You got them kind of families, but they were still in there. They do everything never going on. You know what I'm saying?
But you never know now.
They might know where they at.
Yeah,
the younger ones.
They should be on there now, just
Yeah.
not doing nothing live.
Yeah, but there's a lot of over. Yeah. Some people be like, oh, I'm not on social media, but then when I post something, call in. So wait a minute, how you know I did?
They don't pose for
But I want to know you on social media, why you not, where your page at? You know, don't do that. But anyway, that's just the world, bro. That's why I give out positive energy. So to come back to me. I'm not trying to do what the other people doing. I'm not trying to be like nobody. I'm just trying to be my fun, original self. And if I think something is, going to disgrace my family or whatever, I'll take it down or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't, I look back on my stuff too, you know? So, but, but it's crazy people whether you're doing good or bad, so you can't go by that. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to give people another person that's trying on a level of, reality and not false, and ain't doing too much, but just a single mom. You know, take care of my kids still as a single mom. You know what I'm saying? 33 years later, you know what I'm saying? Still single mom. Single mom, grandma now. You know? So I'm just telling my story. And I'm doing it clean, and Shauna is helping me to get it out there, you know. So when I'm not on the talk show, you know, I'll kind of show them, like I be with you sometime, and I'll just show them, you know, a little something, not too much, but whatever it is, it's good. You know, I like to show them, you know, my OG. Because women out here thinking they need these little young thugs with 200 baby mamas, you know what I'm saying? You know, all they need is an OG, and I'm for real about that. My grandmama told me that. I'm going to keep that up. My grandmama said, all you need, baby. She said, leave all that other stuff alone. She said, leave all that other stuff alone. She said, look at your pop. I married him at 78 years old. My grandmother walked down the aisle at 78 with her OG. She said an OG ain't just become an OG. An OG is born an OG. You get you one of them. She said you ain't gonna need. She said you ain't gonna need none of that other stuff. You trying to attach yourself to. Come on, somebody. Baby. My grandmama knows something right now in heaven. Come on, somebody. Yes.
When you do, make sure you put the top down.
The rain is so beautiful. Make sure you all follow me on my YouTube channel, Regina Miller. I have several videos where I'm showing you how to get to my YouTube, but it's Regina Miller, my name. And I have lots to tell you, lots to show you. And continue to enjoy the rain and the thunder and the lightning. And I hope this video is safe because I'm going to just let it flow until it turns off. Oh my God. Leave that car. She's not going to